Hello, beautiful people. Listerine was originally developed as a surgical antiseptic and has proven to be something of a fix-all over the years. If your feet are giving you troubles, there's actually quite a bit a nice soak in a Listerine bath can do for you. Listerine foot baths have a lot of benefits. 1. Pain relief. The most obvious reason to take a foot bath is to relax, so trying to ease pain should be obvious. The Listerine soak is especially beneficial thanks to the aforementioned methyl salicylate, which is also chemically similar to aspirin. One study even found evidence that it could be especially useful for muscle pain relief. 2. Preventing infections. It's important to remember that Listerine is really designed more to prevent infections than to treat them. Because of this, the essential oils in Listerine are natural antifungals that could prevent moderate cases of toenail fungus and athlete's foot. One study found that Listerine was effective in preventing fungal infections in people with autoimmune diseases. Although the study focused more on the mouth than on the feet. It's important to note that Listerine might not treat people who are already infected and could possibly even burn open sores. 3. Calluses. Thanks to the friction from walking in shoes, feet can easily become calloused over time. Normally, calluses, and similar skin problems, are treated with salicylic acid. However, Listerine contains methyl salicylate, which is chemically similar and could possibly provide similar benefits. It's also important to note that, as Listerine is designed to work in an area as sensitive as the mouth, it should already be soothing, in comparison, to use on the feet. But Listerine foot baths are not for everyone. While these foot baths can help people keep their feet soft, clean, and healthy, there are still people who should avoid taking a Listerine foot bath. Check the ingredients of Listerine, which could include eucalyptus, menthol, or thymol, to make sure they don't conflict with your allergies. People with sensitive skin on their feet should be cautious with these baths for similar reasons. People with open sores on their feet could harm their wounds with the solution. Always check with a doctor to see if a foot bath is an appropriate treatment for you. Make a Listerine foot bath with a few simple steps. Get a deep tub that fits your feet. A foot spa is a good start, but really any large container will do. Fill the tub with a solution that combines 1 part Listerine and 2 parts warm water. Alternatively, you can substitute the water with white vinegar. Let your feet soak in the solution for around 45 minutes and up to 1 hour. Continue to soak your feet like this every day until you see your desired results. Did you know Listerine could be used this way? Do you know any Listerine tips? Please share them with us in the comments. Thanks for watching today's video. Did you learn anything new today? If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.